Respected Madam Sir, good day to you. I am V. Pavansai from Department of CSE AIML Section C. Today I am honored to present a topic titled Bandwish Theorem from the subject Differential Equations and Vector Calculus. So today throughout the presentation we will explore the fundamentals of the historical background, the particle applications, and the future research possibilities related to the theorem. Let us begin the interesting journey into the Bandwish theorem. So, Bandwish theorem. The introduction starts with the Bandwish theorem, which is an important and fascinating principle in mathematics. It is not only a form of basics for the many theoretical studies, but also it finds applications across several real-world fields. In today's presentation, we will first understand what the term means. We will go through the origin and the historical development. After that, we will explore how impact fields like computer science, economics, and engineering, also physics. Finally, we will also take a look how current researches is expanding and it's into modern areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let's proceed the understanding throughout the fundamentals. So starting with the fundamentals. So the Bandwish theorem focuses on the relationship within the set of inequalities. In simple words, it helps us to study the group of numbers or the elements which behave together, plays a key role, especially in the sequence and series, where patterns and relationships are very important. Understanding the theorems allows uh, mathematicians and researchers to predict the behavior and problem solving and create models. For example, when designing computers, programs that sort or analyze data, similar principles helps making these programs faster and more efficient. Thus, Bandwish theorem forms a part of the hidden backbone behind many algorithms and calculations that we use daily without even realizing it. Coming to the fundamentals of historical context. The Bandwish theorem was developed during the parts of early 20th centuries. This period was the rich and discoveries in mathematics and science. Many renowned mathematics of the time contributes to many ideas about inequalities, sets of series, and their work laid the foundation for the Bandwish theorem. Over the years, the theorem has evolved through the contribution of various thinkers and it has been interpreted in different ways. It influenced the directions of mathematical analysis and the contribution to development of new branches of mathematics. The significance of its history developed. It's not just academics, it shows us how one idea can be rippled through the time and change many fields of the study. The importance in mathematics. Now let's just talk about its importance in mathematics itself. The Bandwish theorem is not just a theoretical tool, it is an essential for understanding a core concept. In calculus, where we study how things changes, and algebra, where we work with unknown quantities, the structures. It also plays a part in number theory, the study of whole numbers and their properties. Without understanding the relationships and the structures, the Bandwish theorem explores advancing into higher mathematics would be much more difficult. Moreover, it built the logical thinkers and problem solving skills which that are necessary for mathematicians, scientists, and engineers alike. In short, it is an act of bridge between simple mathematical concepts and advanced real world problem solving. The applications. the applications in real with the real world examples. Now let's move on into the real world, how the Bandwish theorem applied outside the theoretical discussion. In computer science, it is used in development of algorithm that short searches and manages data structures efficiently. Imagine how important this quick search, sorting a searching for instant finding contact, finding in your mobile phones, addressing book relies or similar algorithm. In the economics, principles similar to Bandwish theorem are used for optimizing resource allocation. Business and government often need to decide how to allocate the limit resources like money and manpower at the time. Main mathematical optimization between on these ideas make it possible to achieve better results. Thus, even though these theorem sounds purely academics, but it is actually supporting um, solutions that affect millions of people every day. Applications applications of implications in the other fields. Beyond computer science and economics, the Bandwidth theorem also impacts physics and engineering. And in physics, it helps scientists understanding wave functions which describe the behavior of particles at the atoms and the substance levels. Such understanding is crucial for technologies like semiconductors, lasers, and even quantum computers. In engineering, especially in signal processing, the theorem plays a role in designing systems that transmit data efficiently, whether it is a mobile phone call or a satellite transmission. By analyzing signals and minimizing errors, engineers can ensure the information transfer and travels faster and more accurately across the long distance. Thus, we can see the purely mathematical theorem can touch upon and influence advanced areas of technology and innovations. When the applications of future research direction. Now let's look forward. Bandwish theorem. It's not just also about the past or the present. It's about also about the future. Modern researchers are exploring how the ideas of the theorem can help solve emergingly challenges, especially in the field of machine learning and an artificial intelligence by improving efficiency of the algorithm. This principle of the Bandwish theorem could help us in making AI systems smarter, faster, and more energy efficient. Um, and additionally, it may assist in big data analysis, cybersecurity, and even personalized medicine, where rapid and relief data process is critical. Thus, the Bandwish theorem is possessed to remain a cornerstone for innovation in the 21st century and beyond. Conclusion. To conclude the Bandwish theorem, it is much more than just a theoretical mathematical concept. It has evolved through history to become a virtual tool in understanding complex ideas and solving the real world problems. Its impact stretching across mathematics, computer science, economics, physics, and engineering, and as results continues, its principles are helping shape the futures of technologies like artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Understanding such theorems remind us how interconnected knowledge is and how even abstract mathematics has power to change the world. I hope this presentation has given you a deeper insight into the meaning, importance, of potential of the Bandwish theorem. Thank you, respected Madam Sirs, for giving me this opportunity. I'm grateful for the attention and the time. I hope you enjoy this session and finding it informative and valuable. Once again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.